Hi children! So it's almost Christmas time and I'd like to tell you a little bit about Christmas traditions. So here I am with my most beautiful Christmas outfit, all red. And well, let me tell you, at Christmas, it's a tradition to gather around the table with all your friends, family, and relatives, and have a lovely Christmas meal and open Christmas crackers. The Christmas cracker. So this is a cracker. It looks like a giant candy. And when you open it, the funny thing is that it goes pop. And inside the cracker, there might be little presents, little toys. Usually there's a joke to tell the family. British humor, I know. And then there's a lovely, nice golden crown or colorful crown. So I'm going to open it for you and let's see what's inside. You ready? So it works like this. One member of the family pulls this way and another member of the family pulls that way until it goes bang. And help me. So we have to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! And it goes pop and it actually smells a little bit. So let's see what's inside, okay? I found, ooh, here is the nice, it fell on the floor. Here is the nice paper crown that I told you about. Ta-da! So I'm gonna wear it. It's a tradition. Let's see if it fits over my... ta-da! And, well, British people wear it so that they can feel like kings and queens for a night. It's quite funny because then you have to go on eating like that. And here is the joke. What is a snowman's favorite kind of Mexican food? Burritos. As I said, British humor. And then inside there's also a little gift. Oh, look, a yo-yo. Woo! Nice. So the children can play, adults can play too. And this is what was inside my Christmas cracker. If you want to make one, you can easily make one your own. You just need to use a toilet paper roll. My cracker is all 100% made out of paper, so no plastic. And you use a paper roll, you roll it into a parcel or a paper decoration. Then you close it, you put inside, you can put confetti, you can put a little toy for your friends, anything. And you can cut out a nice Christmas crown like this. And you put it inside, you close it, you wrap it up like a candy. And then you just have to pop it open. So have fun building your own Christmas crackers. Bye-bye. See you next time. Merry Christmas.